Hi everyone, this is Ziad from the Tech channel and welcome back to this review. Today I will be reviewing the SD memory card from Angelbird, and this is a sponsored video from Angelbird. Thanks a lot for them to allowing me, of course, reviewing this memory card. I will be talking today about what is in the package and the use, speed, quality, capability, price and warranty. The performance of this memory card comes with 300 megabyte reading and 280 megabyte writing per second, and it's V90 class 10 U3, and it supports 4K RAW videos and photos, and it's also stable stream, and it has a solid performance protection such as shock, dust, x-ray, splash, waterproofing, and also can work in -25 and up to 85°, and it comes also with a 3-year limited warranty, and there's also 3 sizes of it: 64, 128 and 256 gigabyte. And there's also a dual card reader, comes with 2 slot, support USB 3.2 generation 2, 10 gigabyte per second, type C to C, and also comes with a dongle, support A to C, and it has also write protect switch, solid connect, and ESD, and of course overload protection, and it's solid stock, and they support all the platforms and systems like Mac OS, Windows, Linux, Android and iPad OS, and it's really so amazing to see a company support all the platforms and all kind of systems. And if you are new with Angelbird, I really recommend visiting them website to see what they have and what they are selling. And by the way, they release now the CF Express card, and it's really so amazing. There will be maybe a review for it in the future, so be sure to subscribe to the channel, so when I will post it, then you will see it. But now let's go to the unboxing. I really enjoyed unboxing this product here because they took care of all the details that you don't maybe see or think about at all. The simplicity and the design of the logo of them, and here you can see the website on the side. It's a little bit difficult to open because I don't want to tearing down apart the package. And here you can see some of the slogan they design or support: capture your creative moment, and they also include them logo and warranty card with some motivation slogan on it. And I have now the first slogan on my desk review, building up the marketing, of course. Here you can see the card itself, and as mentioned before, the card is U3 V90, and it supports 4K RAW photos and videos, and up to 300 megabyte per second reading and 280 megabyte per second writing. They sell also V60 version. The dual card reader contains 3 small boxes in it, and one of them contains the card reader, the second contains the cable, and the third the other useful things. What a beautiful icon on the box from the outside, and how much they spend on these. Actually, it's really amazing to see. You don't see these from another companies usually. You will see maybe just a white package from the outside, and it's include this strap which wrote on it: cover your ass or lose your mind. And we have the small double tape here, of course, to reduce or stop the card reader from moving on the desk or on the surface. Of course, you can also stuck it on the table, so it's not gonna move anymore, but it's also not handy if you are going outside. The cable itself, it's about 40 centimeter, and it's C to C. There's also a dongle where they are also support A to C. You will have this dongle with every card reader you buy from them. The small strap to tighten the cable. You will find a warranty card also. As you see here from the back side, you will have write protection and the hole, and this hole where the cable goes in about 3 centimeter in the card reader, and that give you a very high protection from cut the copy paste process to your device. You will never be losing or thinking about disconnecting between the card reader and your device. It's so safe, really, and no one thought about this before. And these 2 small green indicators to let you see, of course, the copy process. Here is where I was trying to film with a friend of mine using Blackmagic 4K monitor with 1DX Mark III camera. Up on the left side you can see the 4K format and ProRes codec. Moving to another situation with Blackmagic 4K and try to record with all codec it supports, RAW, ProRes, slow-mo, film, video and so on. I tried also with Sony a7 II. The card do a really very nice job. This is a high-end SDXC card, so you never be worried about what you can do and what you can't. This card is almost unlimited and one of the best memory card in the market comparing with another big names. Here you can see also the information about the card, the format. It's exFAT, of course, because I am working on a Mac. There's a test on Windows which you will see just in a minute, and the speed of it's really very amazing, just like the CF Express card reader I have. The experience with CF Express card reader pushed me to try another product from them. This is why I know and still buying a product from them, because it's really so amazing. But you can see 24 GB in just a minute. And here is where we comes to Windows. This is 16 GB, of course, type C to SSD hard drive, and you can see how the speed stable is. It's almost 2070 megabyte per second. We will be moving now to HDDS, that means hyperdisk driver, and you see it's almost in the same range, but it's also going up and down depending on the right speed of the hard drive. But it's also type C to the hard disk driver. Now let's jump into the last test, and it's type A 0.3 to SSD, and you can see how that speed writing goes down because of that slot doesn't support high speed. So the speed will be below, but it won't take so long time. It's 3 minutes 5 seconds at the end. So that's it guys for today. So please let me know in the comment below if you have any questions, or if you bought a product from Angelbird before. What do you think about it? Does it worth to buy another time from them or not? And of course, don't forget that you can support also the channel via some links in the description below. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.